In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a status in Clickup in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Clickup or you've been using this powerful productivity app for a while, there are always new tips and shortcuts to learn that can streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you need to head over to the Clickup website. It's known as the Everything app for work, designed to help you manage tasks and projects more efficiently. Fire up your web browser and type in the Clickup URL, or you can simply search for Clickup login on your preferred search engine to get there. Once you're on the Clickup homepage, the next step is logging into your account. If you haven't already, sign up to create an account, but if you're already a user, you'll want to locate the login button. Click on it, which will take you to the login page. Now you're on the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This step is straightforward, just type in the email that you used when signing up for Clickup. As you type, remember that accuracy is key. Make sure the email address is correct to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, the next field to fill in is your password. Enter your secure password in the designated space. It's generally good practice to keep your password confidential and complex to maintain account security. Consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols if you haven't already. Once your password is entered, you're all set to proceed. With your credentials entered, look for the login button to access your Clickup account. Click it and give it a moment to log you in. If by any chance you encounter issues logging in, double check your email and password for any typos. It's a quick fix that can save unnecessary frustration. After you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Clickup dashboard. From here, navigate to your workspace's homepage. You might see it referred to as your workspace name home. This is where all your projects and tasks are organized, offering a comprehensive view of what's happening in your space. Once on your homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and menus. What you need to do next is look for the Set Status option. This is usually a clickable button or link that allows you to modify your current status. It's an essential tool for managing how you or others perceive your availability and current task focus within the workspace. After clicking on Set Status, you'll have the option to clear any existing status you might have set. This is useful if you want to reset your status or just don't want it to display anymore. To remove any set status, simply click on Clear Status. With that action, your status will revert to its default and you won't have any unnecessary distractions concerning your availability or task focus in the Clickup workspace. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a status in Clickup. It's a simple and quick process, but understanding how to manage these small elements can enhance how you interact with your work management tools. Deleting a status might seem like a minor detail, but it's one of those useful skills that, when mastered, gives you better control over your workflow and how you communicate your availability to team members. In this tutorial, we walked through accessing the Clickup site, logging in securely, navigating to your workspace, and managing your status settings. Remember, the key to mastering any tool, including Clickup, is consistent practice and exploring the wide range of features it offers. If you found this video helpful, consider digging deeper into Clickup's functionality and getting the most out of your workspace setup. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we uncover additional tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and task management. Thank you for watching and happy Clickup working.